In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change primary domain in Google Workspace. If you're rebranding, consolidating domains, or standardizing accounts, changing the primary domain updates the sign-in domain for every user in your organization. Before you begin, make sure you have super admin permissions and that the destination domain is already added and verified in your Google Workspace. It's also a good idea to communicate the timing of this change to your team, since it affects how they sign in and how their email addresses appear. With that in mind, let's walk through the process clearly and confidently. First, go to the Google Admin Console by visiting admin.google.com and sign in with your administrator account. This is where all organization-wide settings live, so double-check you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one. Once you're in the Admin Console, open the Account section. This is the hub for foundational settings. Think organization details, profile, and most importantly for today, domain settings. Inside Account, choose Domains. This area lists every domain connected to your workspace, including your current primary domain, secondary domains, and any domain aliases you might be using for email. Next, click Manage Domains. Here you can see verification status, ownership, and how each domain is being used. Take a quick moment to confirm the domain you plan to make. Primary is listed and verified. If it isn't visible here, you'll need to address that before proceeding. Otherwise, the option to switch won't be available. When you're ready, select Change Primary Domain. Google will guide you through a confirmation flow. Expect to see a summary of what will change, such as user sign-in addresses switching to the new domain. Review the notes carefully. This change doesn't delete data, but users may be prompted to sign in again, and some third-party integrations, SSO configurations, or email routing rules may need updating afterward. If everything looks correct, confirm the change. After you confirm, the update begins. Propagation can take a short while, so plan accordingly. During this period, keep an eye on admin alerts and consider notifying users when the change is complete. If you use bookmarks, mobile device management, or automated scripts that reference the old domain and usernames, plan to update those references. For email, mail flow should continue normally, but verify your routing and compliance rules still behave as expected with the new domain. And that's it. You've changed the primary domain in Google Workspace through the Admin Console, moving from account to domains, to manage domains, and then confirming change primary domain.